Sorry it's been a while I haven't done any. Been quite a bit of change going on. So obviously I've been doing my own business and I'm now full-time here. We've also taken over the workshop next door. So this now is like the main workshop for the powder coating. I'm not sure if people wanted to see that in the videos. Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, let me know. And I'll show you through what's been going on around here, really. So yeah, this is now like the clean area, I guess. So I've got like a little reception area over in there. That's the main doors in. Currently closed because it's cold. And obviously you've got the two cars. The Fiesta is the main one at the moment. That's what this update is kind of be about. The Escort hasn't been touched. It's still exactly how it was in the last video. The Fiesta went to my garage for a year and a half, something like that. So last week we pulled it up here because at the moment we're currently in the third lockdown and business is a bit quiet. So the plan is, while I've got time, I'm going to put it into Fiesta. Long-term goal is to sell it because I realised I can't afford to have two projects. So the plan is to sell it beginning of the summer. And let me know if people want bits of powder coating in the video, because I've got some, say, the wheels I've just done down there. If anyone wanted to see any bits as they come in or go out and how it's done, but not too in depth, because some people think I find that a bit boring and just want to do the old Fords. Yeah, just let me know and go from there. Cheers for watching and hopefully you'll see another video soon. Give us a like and a subscribe and see you later.